remember this scene from July 2018, a massive pileup on I-10, 18 separate accidents involving more than 45 vehicles. One motorcyclist, 42-year-old Dwayne Washington, was critically injured that day.
On Friday, a jury awarding him millions in his civil suit against a trucking company. It is the first virtual jury trial held in our area, and it's one of the biggest virtual verdicts in the country. Sophia Hernandez breaks down what it means moving forward. Sophia?
Attorney Ben Crump, who represents Washington, tells me that he was awarded more than $411 million for his client. Washington is a veteran from Quincy, Florida, and that stormy evening back in 2018 here off of I-10 changed his life forever.
What you're seeing is footage from I-10 back on July 24th, 2018. That motorcycle belonged to this man, Dwayne Washington, a veteran now practically paralyzed.
Very, very challenging to go from being the caretaker who everybody depend on to being the person who needs constant care.
According to WCTV's previous reporting, more than 18 car crashes resulted in at least 8 hospitalizations. The heavy rain causing a slowdown on the roads. A semi-truck with Top Auto Trucking Company tried avoiding a collision, instead jackknifed, causing the domino effect. According to Attorney Crump, Washington was attempting to avoid the collision when he crashed into a pickup truck, launching into a median.
Dwayne was the one who was the most horribly injured, as we understand it.
I left multiple messages with Top Auto Trucking Company and received no answer. But according to multiple sites, I found the company opened its doors in March of 2018 and are still open today with 1 driver and 1 truck.
The violation of Top Auto Trucking Company, who had a duty to follow the safety laws and slow down, was the cause of this crash that left Dwayne Washington and his 3 sons irreparably harmed.
The first virtual Zoom jury in North Florida agreeing with Crump, awarding Washington more than $411 million, the largest verdict amount to date from a virtual trial.
He was known as Sergeant Washington, a person who was respected and admired, but he testified before the jury that Sergeant Washington died that day on the side of that road.
According to Attorney Crump, he tells me he's not familiar with any other lawsuits from this collision. I did speak to somebody from Florida Highway Patrol, and they tell me that all of the crashes in this case are closed, meaning that there's been no further investigation after July 24th. Now, I also reached out to an attorney that was listed for Top Auto Trucking Company, and that's Michael Sastre. He tells me they actually withdrew from litigation before they went to trial, so the trucking company went to trial undefended. As for Washington, he's at his home in Gadsden County receiving treatment and therapy. For now, reporting off of I-10, Sophia Hernandez, WCTV Eyewitness News.
Okay, Sophia, thank you. I think we all remember that night and the scene on I-10.